So let me open up UiPath. So first let me open up a notepad. Okay, what are the types of variables we are having right now as of now? First one is
Mm,
string,
string,
integer, Boolean. So these are all the common data types that we are going to use in our UiPath. Okay, what do you mean by in string? Any idea, Srija? Any idea, Srija? Srisha, sorry.
Not yet.
Yeah, what do you mean by string, Srisha?
Yeah, it's carries. I mean, it carries the name.
Okay, so the first thing is anything we give double quote. Double quote is called a string. Let's see a practical example for the string, Srisha.
Okay.
So let me create a new process that is named as var. Okay, this is the one we created yesterday, right?
Mm-hmm.
And what about integer? Any idea?
mostly whole numbers.
Numbers. Example 1, 2, 2. Okay, so this is called as integer. What about Boolean? Any idea?
True and false.
True or false? Okay. So string is nothing but whatever it is. If we enclose it in a double quotes means it is called as a string. Integers are just numbers and booleans are nothing but it's a true or false statement. Let's deep dive into each and every variables now. So what is the name of this panel called? What is the name of this panel?
Most activities.
Activities panel. Super. And what about this panel? What is the use of this variables panel? Hello?
Yeah, I don't know. Just I'm listening.
Okay. So variables panel is nothing but it is used to create the variables. For example, here I am going to create a variable that is named as name2. Okay. So I am having two variables created as of now. That is name1 and name2. Okay. So I am going to drag as an activity for assigning some values to the name. That is name1 equal to RPA Okay, so this is my name 1, and consider I am going to assign something for name 2. Name 2, which is nothing but training. So what happens if I try to display name 1 and name 2? What is the use of message box? Any idea?
Name one is RPA and IPA training.
Okay, name. So I am going to give only name 1 as of now.
No.
Let me run the file. Let's see what the output will be. So RPA is my output. Okay. So what happens, Srisha?
Yes, right.
Yeah, I will give you control. What I want you to do is, I want you to display name 2.
Okay.
You have the controls. I
Okay.
want you to display the name 2 in my message box. How can you do that? I want training as my output.
Okay. Yeah, we can in message box we can use name to and run the file. Then we can see
Okay,
the
can you do
training.
that, Srisha?
Yeah,
You have the controls, right?
I
Yeah.
think so.
Yes, you have the controls. Virat, I'm not able to give any sharing access to you, eh?
Which access?
Share the control access.
Uh, I don't see any.
No, you have the drop down, right? Just click on the drop down. Srisha,
Yeah.
Yes, here only.
a small drop down is there, right? In debug file. In debug file.
Yes, in debug file. Yes,
Yeah, just click on that. Then you will be having an option named as run file, right? Run.
run. Yes. Yeah, I got the message box.
So what's the output you are getting?
Training.
Training. So
So here we are giving the, we are giving the names right, the string right, training, RPA. That's why we are using the name 1, name 2.
yeah, yes. Okay. Consider another scenario. Okay. So I want this RPA training. Okay, how can I do that?
So we have to combine name 1 and name 2
Name 1 plus name 2.
plus name 2.
So
Yes.
guys, the only thing you almost supposed to remember is, if we add two string,
Hmm.
if we add two string, the output will be concatenation of two strings. Concatenation of
Sayed, can you please add me on meetings one more time?
what, bro?
Can you add me on Teams one more time? Yeah.
Yeah.
Sayed,
Okay. I didn't got any invite as of now, bro.
I'm trying to join from the app.
Okay. See, I am not getting any invite, bro. Why, bro? It is.
That's fine. That's fine, Sayed. No worries.
Okay, we will start, right?
Yeah.
I didn't got any invite as of now from you.
That's fine. I'm good with browser one as of now.
Okay. So if we add two strings means the output will be the concatenation of two strings. What do you mean by concatenation?
Adding.
Adding to.
Adding means merging two string values. Okay, let us view that. I'm going to give like name 1 plus name 2. Okay, so let me run this file and see how the output will be. So it is RPA training, right?
Yes.
So why it is RPA training?
Because we added only the name 1 and the name 2.
Super, super. So name 1 and name 2 is getting concatenated, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Are you familiar with strings?
Yes.
Any doubt in strings you have, guys? Can we move from strings? Hello?
Yes, Sayed. Give me one more example, Sayed.
Okay, super. For example, um, so,
So if we say one question.
okay.
Yeah.
Hello guys. Wait, hello guys. This is the RPA training. RPA training. So, what is this? What is the data type of this particular? Hello guys. This is RPA training. Any idea?
This is a
String,
logic, right?
Why it is a string?
because it's in the double quotes and
Super.
all are
So
the characters.
it is enclosed within the double quote, so we are calling it as a string. So what happens if I run this file? What happens if I didn't mention this double quote? Can
It
anyone
won't.
read this error?
Compiler is end of expression. Yeah, so they are looking for some parentheses or something.
Yeah, to
Expression.
recognize this particular command, right? So we are telling our computer that if we use double quotes means this particular category belongs to a string. Okay. Okay. So let me ask you another scenario. So whatever text we are writing, it must be enclosed in a double quotes, right? So I am writing this, but I didn't get any errors. Why?
Because it's a boolean.
Super. So it is a Boolean. Got it, Srija? Are you able to follow this?
Yes, yes. Yes, Sayed.
Okay. So why we are not getting any errors here? In
Yeah,
true?
because it is Boolean, that's why.
Boolean. Super. Okay. Are you clear with string?
Yes.
Are we good to go to integers?
Yes, Sayed.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. So what I am going to do is I am going to give control to you, Srisha.
Okay.
Can you please try to join again?
Sorry,
Yes.
voice is breaking.
Hello? Okay. So because I am planning to give control and I am asking you to do something. Yeah, I got. Okay. Okay, Virat, super. You joined, right? So Srisha, what I want to do is, okay. So I want you to create a variable, Srisha.
Okay.
So I am going to create a new sequence. Okay, so the task for you is, Risha, create a variable with name test value. This is RPA demo. So are you able to get this, Srisha?
Yes, yes.
So what is the task? You have to create a variable in the name of test, and then you have to set the values. This is RPA demo. Okay. So here it is, Srisha.
Okay.
So what you have to do is you have to create a variable, then you have to name the variable as test, and then pass the value. How to do
Okay.
that?
So I have to go to the assign.
Okay. Just drag the assign. Okay, super. After that, what you are supposed to do?
Uh, name name equal to test.
Yeah, yes. No, no. Please read the question once again, Srisha.
Now,
Since it is the initial stage, right? So you will be getting confused.
yes.
So what is the
Variable with the name test.
yeah?
So
Means the name of the variable is test,
test.
right?
Yes.
And
And the value is this is RPA demo.
super. Can you please do that using UiPath?
Yes, it's not coming. Variable name is the variable name. I have to.
Test. No, Srisha. So what I want to do is I want to create variable in the name of test. Means
Test.
previously we created like name one, name two, right?
Name.
Like
Yes,
that
yes,
instead of name one and name two, I
yes.
want you to create it like test.
Okay. So
So
here I have to give the, I mean, for that I have to give the assign variable or name. Which one?
name. First
Name.
thing is you have to create the variable. So only if you created the variable means you will be able to assign some value to the variable. So how
Okay.
to
Okay.
create a value to the variable?
Uh,
So
like this only, right? Variable, we have to select the
let
variable.
me do one thing, one again. So how to create? We can create variable in two types. Okay,
Mm.
we can use the variables panel where we can give like
Create.
text. So it
Okay.
means the variable is created. And
Okay.
another method is what we can do is we can give control K and then followed by test. So what happens if I create two variables? What's the error it is showing?
A variable with the same name already exists in the specified scope.
So we cannot create two variable with same name. Okay.
Yes.
These are the two methods where we can create a variable. Okay. So here the name of the variable is test because I already created a variable in the name of test.
Okay. Now here we are giving the value.
Yeah. 1 minute, Srisha. Let me check whether it is recording. Virat, hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, it is recording.
So we created a variable in the name of test. Then what is the next step?
We have to give the value.
So what is the value?
This is RPA demo.
First, this is RPA demo.
Yes.
Okay, please pass this value to the variable.
Then put it.
So what is the error it is throwing? Why it is throwing some error?
Compiler error, encounter processing expression. So inverted comma. I mean, this is RPA demo. End of expression expected. So
Okay,
we
what
have
is
to
the
give.
any idea why we
We
are
have to give the inverted comma.
Double quotes are required.
Double quotes. Sorry, double quotes.
double quotes is required?
Yeah.
Please pass double quote, Srisha, in the beginning and the end. No, you pass two double quotes. We need a
Okay.
single
Sorry.
quote, right? Single double quote. Delete one. Okay. Also, you have to put one. Okay, super.
Now, do I have to run the file?
Yeah. So then what we have to do is we have to display this output, right? How to display this output?
Run the file.
No. I need the output to be pop up, right?
The message box.
Got what I am saying, Srisha?
Yes.
Okay. So stop the process,
Mhm.
and what you are supposed to give here after this assign.
What I have to do? No idea.
No, Srisha, what I'm asking is we need to display this output.
Okay.
So what is the possible methods we display the output here?
Yeah, in debug file, we have to run the file.
So we have to give the message box, right? The value in order to display this output.
Okay. Yeah. See.
Got it?
Yes.
So
Message.
the message box I have to mention the name of the variable. See, if I type t means the variable will appear here.
Okay.
Test.
Okay.
So if I run the file means what will happen? Please run the file.
Yeah.
Super. Run file. This is the RPA demo.
This is
Are
the
you
output.
clear with creating the variables and passing value to the variable?
Yes.
So, okay. So, Virat, again he
Yes.
left. So, I'm not able to add you in the control, Virat.
Yeah, it's not giving me any option here.
So, I am able to add Srisha, but I'm not able to add you. Why it is?
No.
Previously, I was able to add you in the control, but now I am not able to add this control.
Okay, try now able to add me.
Yeah. Now he
Let
came.
me accept you. Yes. I'm able to give the control. Okay, have the control, sir. So, what is your task is I want you to create variable in the name of test2.
Yeah, can you repeat that, please?
Okay. So, I want you to create a variable in the name of test2. How to create the variable?
Yeah.
What are the possible ways you can create a variable?
Yes. Either I can do.
Yeah, variables. So test1, the variable name which I want is test1.
Test one.
Yeah, yes. You saw right how to create a variable. Srisha, can you please help Virat in
Yeah.
creating a
No,
variable?
but I think my cursor is moving really slow. Let me share my screen. I already have open UiPath.
Okay. No problem, bro. Just tell Srisha will help you in control. I will pass control to Srisha. She will help in control. Srisha, you have the control. Can you please guide, help Virat?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
So what
So I
is
think
that?
in create variable we need to pass test one, and then we can grab assign.
Okay, first thing is Virat want to create test one as a
Yes,
variable, right?
yes.
Can you please do that? Then what is the next thing, Virat?
Then grabbing the
So it is
assign.
always better to click on variable panel again once you created.
Okay.
No, the variable box is there, right?
Yes,
Variable symbol, variable arguments
yes,
imports.
yes, yes.
Yeah, just click on the variables so that it will disappear.
Okay.
Rosrisa, are you able to see here this variable arguments and exports?
Yes, I'm clicking on it.
Yeah, once you're done with creating the variables, what you have to do is you have to click on this variable button so that it will
Oh,
be disappeared.
okay, okay. Yeah, that is not coming. Actually, I clicked on it, but it's okay now. Now I got it.
Now, what is the next thing you want to do, Virat? 1 minute, Srisha.
Oh,
So now, what is the next thing you want to do?
So yeah, in a test one, like we can change it to string or integer.
So I want it always in a string, Virat.
Yeah, so we can do the double quotes and then we can type
I want the value
string.
to be same. This is a RPA demo. Is that
Yeah.
mandate to change the value of the variable?
Uh, for string it doesn't matter.
Okay. So what we can do is we can simply add one here, right?
yes.
Yeah.
It's one. Then in message box, what will be my input?
Test one, right?
Okay. Can you please do that, Srisha? Are you able to control the screen?
E, I
Okay.
think
Test
yes.
one. One. Can you please run this file?
Yeah. Hey Google, stop.
This is the RPA demo. Are we good with the variable string concept, guys? Shall we move on to the next part? If you are good.
Yeah. No, I need one more example, Sayed.
Okay, cool. I will give one more example.
Yeah, little bit confusion. I'm just a little bit
Okay,
confused.
Srisha, just create another variable in the name of test2.
That's true.
Virat,
Okay.
are you good with the string?
Yes, I'm good.
Super. So, Srisha,
Hmm.
uh, just create another variable in the name of test2.
Okay. So, oops. Here I have to assign.
The first thing is you have to create a variable. How to create variable?
Yeah. Here,
Yeah, yes, from
click
here.
on variables.
Okay, super.
Yeah.
No, no.
Assign.
Hello, Srisha.
Yes, Sayed.
Yeah. How to create a test2 variable?
So here the value is the same, so I'm giving the name as a test two. So
Can
I
you
can
give test2?
yes here.
What is the error you are getting?
Okay. Compile error and counter processing expression test two. Test two is not declared. it may be inaccessible due to the protection level. So it
Okay,
is
why
not
am
good,
I getting this error? What is the error we made?
because I did not.
मीटिंग चल रही है.
Just click on it.
हाँ दादा मीटिंग चल रही है मेरी.
Not double click, just a single click, Srisha.
Oh, okay, one
हाँ
click.
just
Yes. Now
And what we are
same
supposed to
here. I can create a variable.
Yeah,
Two.
yes. Okay. Now click on variable again.
Again, we have to click on the variable.
Where is that error? Are you able to see that error, Srisha?
No.
Okay. So the error that we
And
seen
this is
is
yeah.
okay. So you can mention like test 2.
Mm.
Test 2. How to concatenate another string?
Sorry, say it.
So I want the output as wait.
Mm.
This is a RPA demo
Okay.
and it is completed.
Okay.
And it is completed. So this is what the output I want. How do I get this output?
So I have to add test one and test two.
So this is a RPA demo we are having as a variable. So
Mm-hmm.
this one I want to pass it as a string. How to do
Mm.
that?
In double quotes, I have to create.
Yes. Yeah, just copy that thing and paste it over here.
Okay.
You have to concatenate test2 with this and we have and it is completed. Okay,
yeah. So I think we required a plus sign.
super. We need a plus sign over here in the test2. No, not there, Srisha. In the message box.
Mm. So here I mean, I should not pass any value here. I mean, you said that and it is completed, right?
Yeah, and it is completed. We need to add. I want it to be added only in the output section.
Oh, okay.
This is the input, right? So I
Yes.
want it to be added in my message box. How can I do that?
Okay. But here I will give test one plus test two. In test two, I have to pass that one, right? And it is completed string.
We already have test2. That is, this is RPA demo. So if I
Yes.
pass test2 means I will get this value. So what
Yes.
is the next thing that are need to be added? And we have complete and it is completed, right? So
Okay.
how
Yes.
can I add that?
Again, we have to pass another variable.
No, that is not needed.
Here,
So what we can do is we can simply click do a plus. I already told right the
yes.
concatenation of string.
But my question is, if test one, this is RPA demo, I'm thinking test two and it is completed. Then if we combine test one and test two in a message box, I mean in the output, we can get that
Yeah,
this is
that
RPA
is
demo
correct,
and it.
Srisha. But my question is,
Hmm.
I don't want and it is completed as any variable. I just
Okay.
want the value. So that is
Okay.
what my question is.
Okay. Got it.
So for that, what we are supposed to do is
Hmm.
just copy this, okay, and we have to paste it over here.
Oh,
Just
okay.
double.
Direct.
That's
Okay. That's it. Okay.
got it.
Yes, yes, I got it.
Okay, shall we move on to the next part, Srisha?
Yeah, here in debug, we have to run the file.
Okay, run the file.
Yeah. This is RPA demo and it is completed. Got it.
Okay.
Yes. So directly also we can send the string,
Yeah,
right?
yes.
In the double quotes. If we are applying in the message box, it is coming as an output.
Yeah, yes, yes, Trisha.
Got it.
Okay, are you able to follow the string concept?
Yes, yes, Sayed.
Okay, we are good to go to other concepts, right?
Yes.
Okay. So the next topic which we are going to discuss is integers. What do you mean by integers, Srisha and Virat?
Numbers.
Integers are the whole number.
Okay. So integers are nothing but whole numbers.
Mhm.
Okay. Let's see some practical examples for this integers. Okay. So I will create another sequence with integer. Okay. So how to create an integer variable? Can anyone try? So previously we created string, right? Now we are going to create number. Okay, so create variable is there. I am going to Virat, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, so I am going to
Click
create
on
it
the
as
assignment.
num1. Okay, so that is my
Yeah.
variable name, and here we are having an option that is named as variable type, right? Previously we deal only with the string. Now we are going to dealing with integer, right? So what I am going to do is I am going to name it as variable data type is int32. Okay, so let me drag assign activity, and I am going to assign num1 with num1 value as 20. Oh, why I am getting this error, guys?
You are giving in double quotes.
Harpan.
What? Come
You are
Who
giving
store?
again?
in the double quotes, right?
So we don't need any double quotes. Why?
No, Vishal, bowling.
It is an integer, right?
Viral
So we
hours.
Yes.
don't need any double quotes. Okay.
Harshad
So
cover नहीं.
so I am going to add num value
हाँ देखो हमारा मीटिंग पर भाई जाओ अंदर.
30. What will be my output, guys?
50. 50.
Come again?
50.
50. Are you sure?
Yes.
50 rupees bet.
I think so. Yeah, of course. Yeah,
Okay.
sure.
Virat, how about you, Virat? What is the value?
So value would be 50.
Okay. Let's see what's the output will be. Yes, it is 50. Okay. So why I am getting 50? I just need I will in integer part, in string part, I am getting like 20 plus 30 means it will be 20 30, right?
Mhm.
So
Yes.
okay. Let me do another thing.
So does this con I would say the studio, does it detect by itself like it's a number or it's a string?
Wow, what Virat? I am not able to get your question.
So what I'm saying is, does this studio recognize by itself like this is the integer and this is the
Yeah, yes.
string?
Numbers means we will be having 2 0 1 2 3 like that, right? We are not
Yes.
having 2 AB, not like that, right? So it will recognize the numbers. So what will be the output here?
Here it would be
20.
20 30.
Are you sure?
Yes.
So
Yes,
20 plus
because
30 means it is 50, right? Then how come you are saying it is 20 30?
it's a string in double quote.
So it is number, right? But why you are calling it as a string?
Because we gave in
Because
double quotes.
yeah.
Any idea why you are saying it as a string?
Because of the double quotes.
Super, super. Even if a number is enclosed within a double quotes means it will be recognized as a string. Great man, Virat. Okay. So now what I am going to do is I am going to add now one. So I want the output as this is the output is value which I am getting. Okay. For example, 20 I am giving like 30 means the output will be 50, right? Like that. How can I get the value in a simplified sentence? So I am going to assign another variable that is num2 and the variable type is integer. Okay. So let me drag as an activity and I am going to give the num2 value as 30. Okay. So both are combined together to form 50, right? So the value of num1 and num2 is 50 and I want the output to be in this format. The output is 50. How to do that? Any idea?
You have to give the output is 50 in double quotes.
Okay.
Then
So
num1,
can anyone try?
num1.
Bro, can you send me the output input? Virat, can you please ping me that because I'm not able to pass the control. Can you send me as a message how to do that?
Yeah, so you want the output, right?
Yeah, yes. I want the
Yeah.
input so that the output will be the output is 50.
Yeah, so input would be one you can do. This is 20, 30. You already have num1, num2.
Okay.
But if another way you want to do is you can name num1 as a 40.
No, that is okay, bro. Num1
Okay.
plus num2 means it will be 50. But I want the output in this format. The output is 50. So this is what I want in the message box.
Oh, okay.
Got
So
You
it?
can
you
give it
can,
in the
okay,
double quotes, right? The output is 50.
okay, you can do this way. Um, do the double quotes in message box,
Okay. Double quotes I put. Then what's the next step?
saying the output is.
The output is
Num1 plus num2.
Then you can do plus after the double quotes.
okay.
Then in parentheses,
What parenthesis? This one.
Yes.
uh, shift 9. No, not that one. The circle one.
This one, right?
Yeah, that one. So
Okay.
inside that you can do num1 plus num2.
One plus
Num2.
okay.
I think this should do it.
Then what is the error I am having? So can
I
anyone
don't.
read this error?
What is plus
It's
option plus
asking that option struck on dialog impact
So,
conversion from string to
whenever
double.
you are doing this conversion, what you have to do is, so we are supposed to add only, this is a string, right?
Yes.
So
yes,
we are supposed to add string with string, not with string with number. So if I add this means it will be a integer, right?
yes.
So in order to convert it to a string, what I am supposed to do is I am going to give dot to string.
Okay.
Okay, got it?
Yes.
So
Yes.
this is a string, right? So
String.
but this num1 and num2 is an integer. So in order to convert this integer into a string, what I am going to do is I am going to use dot to string.
Function.
Okay, got it?
Yes, Syed.
Shall I run this file?
Yes.
Okay. Got it? The output is 50. Okay. Let me change this into, now what will be my output?
20 into 30.
Yeah, super. 20 into 30. So let me run this file. The output is 600.
600.
Okay. So are you clear with the integer and string part? Shall we move on to the next part?
Yes, Syed.
Viratji, are we good to go to the next part?
Yes, yes, we are good.
Okay. So at the end of the session, I am going to give you some small assessments. Okay. So you have to complete that assessment.
Okay.
So this is all about integer. Then what about Boolean? How to create a Boolean variable?
We have to say the true, whether the value is true or false.
Okay. So how to create a variable in the variables panel? So I am
Uh,
saving select an activity to set various variable scope. So I am clicking on this bool. Okay. So it will ask me to enter the variable. So I am going to name it as bool and bool one. What is the data type here?
Boolean.
Boolean.
Super boolean. So I am going to make the bool as bool one as true. Okay. If I drag a message box and run this bool one means what will be my output?
True.
Okay. What will be my output now?
5 equal to just not true, right?
What will be my output? Any idea?
False.
No. Why 5 equal to 6? I am just putting. Then the output will be 5 equal to 6, right? Then how come you are saying it is false?
Because I think you haven't included the parentheses, and like if you do 5 equals 6, then it would be the conditional statement.
Super, super, Virat. Great. The value will be false. Shisha, are you able to understand this?
No, I want one more example. I mean, why it
So
is
Virat
written.
will explain you this. Virat, can you please explain it to Shisha?
Yeah, so I think before we used to get is like double quotes and do the string in message box, right?
Yes.
But right now what is happening, he wrote 5 is equal to 6. That is, it's not a string, but it's saying it, is it like going into conditional saying 5 equals 6? So it's kind of question, is it 5 equals 6?
No.
Then it's a no, right? So it would
Yes.
be false.
Okay.
Okay. Now, Srisha, I want you to tell the output. What will be the output?
5 is greater than 7.
So, is it 5 is it 7 is greater than 5?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, right. So, the output will be true.
True.
True. So, this is called as Boolean variable, guys. Okay. Okay, so let me tell you another scenario. I am going to create a variable as name, give the same name. Okay, then what I am going to do is I am going to drag as an activity. Then I am going to give it as name equal to. So here I am going to give the condition as so what will be my output? Any idea? Okay guys, always take a notepad, okay?
Yeah.
Take a notepad and what is the expression I have written? Name equal to RPA. So this is what the expression I have written. So just
Yes.
substitute the value of name. What is the value of name? That is RPA equal to this RPA. Is it
Yes.
true or false?
It's true.
Are you sure? Let
Yes.
me run this file.
Yeah.
Why it is false?
Mm, because
because
it's a
the one was capital letter and another one was
low.
lowercase.
Super. So at that instance, what we can do is so dot to upper. So what will be my output now?
Uh, True.
Why it is true?
Because it is changing into uppercase
So
letters.
so it is changed into upper character. So the output will be true. Okay. I'm going to give some space. Now what will be my output?
What you did here, I did not observe.
Come again, Trisha. What is the output?
I mean, you modified something, right? So what you modified here, I mean, what you changed here,
So I just gave some extra space. That's it.
space. Okay. Then it is false.
Yeah, it's probably this was why because it is RPA space, but it is simply RPA. So at that instance, what we can do? Okay, let me run this code and show you guys. So what is the output?
False.
False.
Okay. So in order to compensate that, what I can do is I can use dot dot contains of PA. So now what will be my output?
Name dot contains.
True.
What?
True.
It is true. Why it is true? Virat and Srisha. Why it's true?
Because it's using a contains method, so it's saying like, okay,
So
does
let
this
me explain you this. So I am having RPA space. So this is my input, and I am going to check it with RPA, right? R RPA. But here RPA space is there. So, but if you see means this RPA space contain RPA, right?
Hmm? Yes.
Okay, let me give you another example. RPA. Okay, let me run this file. What will be my output?
False.
True. Why it is true? Because the sentence RPA rocks. So this is my input statement. So I am checking whether it contains RPA or not. Means,
Oh,
are you able
okay.
to see RPA here?
Yes, yes, yes. Got
So
it.
this particular RPA rocks contain RPA, right? So that is
Yes.
why it is returning a true value.
Okay.
So these are all the types of variables we are having this, and tomorrow we will discuss about array concept. What is mean by array? What is array of strings, array of integers? Those type of stuffs we can discuss tomorrow. I don't want you guys to be dumb with lot of topics. We will go literally, okay? So are you clear, guys, with this, with the variables concepts?
Yes, Sayed.
Are you
Yes,
being?
sir.
So if you have any doubts, please ask, guys.
Sayed, I have one question. Uh,
Okay.
for this RPA, do we need do any certification?
Um, the certification is RPA Developer Advanced Certification. We will help you to complete, Srisha.
So in this training, will you help to do that one also, or it depends?
No, no, we will help you to do that, okay? Because I will teach you everything and you are the one who is going to do,
Okay, okay.
okay? Okay, Virat and Srisha, do you have any doubts?
So now, no.
No,
I
sir. I'm
Clear with the
fine.
variable concepts, right?
Yes.
Okay.
If we are going into the deep dive, so we have to use the if conditions,
That and
uh,
all we will discuss
conditions.
literally, Srisha, because since it is the initial stage, right? If I go
Mm,
in many things, means we will be getting confused. So for the next 2 to 5 classes, it will be like this. I will teach
okay.
you only the small things, okay? I don't dump the larger things. So for basic and all, I will go very slow. Once you are good with the basics, we are good to go with turbo speed.
Okay.
Okay. Is that okay, Viratji?
Yes, sir. It's okay.
It's cool, right?
Of course, yes, but for me it is a little bit. Now it is okay. I don't know. After some more classes, it will confuse me. I will
Okay.
get confused.
Okay. Still, you are confused with this topics, integers.
No, it is okay. Yeah, I told you, right? Initial, it is good. When I'm thinking of the next classes,
Okay.
then yeah, I'm thinking of that.
Okay. Okay, guys. Okay. Yes. I will ask in group regarding your suggestion. Please be frank, and whatever suggestion you need to change in the class, please let me know in the group. Okay.
And Sayed, I installed that UiPath. Can you look into it? Can I share my screen?
Yeah, sure. You can share your screen. Viratji, you are clear, right?
Yes, sir. I'm good.
Okay. So please you indicate your comments in the group, guys, so that I can change whatever things you want. Okay.
Uh, Sorry, your voice is breaking, Sayed.
Okay. So I asked in group how's the class. You can reply what how you are feeling about this class. Okay.
Okay, sure.
Okay.
Do I
Srisha,
have to
please share
share
your
the
screen about
desktop
this.
or window?
So please share your screen, Srisha.
Do I have to share the desktop or window?
Yeah, window. Desktop window, everything.
Yeah, oh,
You need
everything.
to change.
So, did you get it? Sayed?
Yeah, yeah, yes, Srisha.
Did you
So
get
what
that?
is the? Yeah, yes, I'm able to see your screen.
Yeah. Here
Yeah,
we
it's
are.
installed. Now what you have to do is just click on the process.
Okay.
Process, just double click it.
Okay.
So just give the name of the project.
RPA. Instructor.
Anything as per your needs.
So in description, can I use that one? Blank process.
Description it is blank. There is no need. You can simply click on create. Restoring dependencies.
So in earlier project, I mean in earlier batches, did anyone got on project, Syed?
What Srisha?
In you give earlier classes also, right? Earlier trainings.
Yeah, yes.
Did anybody got placements? Are they doing?
Yeah, yes. Around actually I trained around 50 to 60 candidates.
Okay.
Then as of now, I think 25 is in job.
Oh,
In
that
UiPath,
sounds good.
UiPath developer now.
Okay. Okay. So here in, I mean, the RPA comes under as developer or as a testing.
Actually, I am a full-time RPA developer, Srisha, doing
Oh,
some trainings.
okay. Is there any another I mean designation also for as I mean the training RPA I mean RPA testing RPA admin.
RPA testing is there. It's like RPA QA.
Okay.
So once you got this right,
Uh-huh.
so what you have to do is just open main workflow. Click on open main workflow.
Yeah, I'm just allowing you. Just
Okay. So what I have to do is I have to click on the open main workflow option.
okay.
So if I click means we will be seeing the opening screen
Uh-huh.
where we can code something like variable equal
Yeah,
to
now you showed the code something,
yeah just
gave
click
some
on
variables also.
activities.
Okay.
Then we will be having everything. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay,
So
guys.
in project also we are seeing the same screen for
No,
in project.
project means whatever that is inside my folder. So if I create a
Oh,
project means there will be a folder created for this particular project name, right?
uh, okay,
So
okay.
that will be displayed here.
Okay.
And this in this activities only we will be having everything. Like the
Okay.
panels means the message box,
Mm-hmm.
assign activity that will comes under the activities panel. Okay,
Okay, okay. Got it.
got it right.
Yes.
Okay, guys. If you have any doubts, please let me know.
Okay. Are you going to give any, I mean,
Yes, yes.
assignments today?
What's Risha?
Are you going to give any assignments today, any tasks today?
Yeah, I will post in group, Risha, about the
Oh,
assignments.
okay, Sayed.
Okay,
Okay.
I will share this recording as well for your reference.
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you,
So,
Sayed.
guys, can you please do me a favor? Can you please disconnect and try to join again
Sure.
Okay.
using the same link because I want to check whether we are having any issues in that.
Yeah, okay.